welcome back to another video, and I don't know.
Right, so does this computer work?
Yeah.
You want to put it on your desk? Or leave it?
Leave it until I go in there.
Huh?
Until that's done.
In the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start again?
No. Okay, the introduction. Welcome back to another episode of Different Cuisine Tuckers. Episode 6. Yeah, episode 6. And we are making wraps. Okay. I know how to do that. I just want to do this way instead. Wait, do we have sauce? Hee. Radio. We need a plate. I'm making a wonderful plate. Along with my chips and gravy that I got today. So this is my lunch, basically. Okay. Just one. One small one. It's like young bird. You know what we call it in our food and Indian heritage? Roti. That's what we call it. So take that flat bread, no, put it on the plate. And then we open the roast pork. Okay, and need you to put that camera there. Just there. Yep. And need you to cut the tomatoes.
Oh, yep. So I'll just wash my hands.
Where's the tomato? Wash the tomato and cut it in quarters.
Quarters or slices?
Slices.
Slices like that?
Yeah, but use quarter of that. You need a knife. She needs a knife.
Yep.
Yeah.
So how do you want it cut? Like long ways, like that?
Look at. Cut it.
In half?
In half.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then just use half of that.
Okay.
Right. I'm still opening the pork, guys. I'm still opening the pork. Okay, like this. This is it, guys.
Technical difficulties.
Technical difficulty.
What?
I can't speak today. I need my coffee.
Rachel needs a coffee. She hasn't had her caffeine hit today. So she's a bit cuckoo, cuckoo.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Good. Oh, sorry. You can't even see. You got to see her. Instead, you see me.
Oh, sorry. The fans don't want to see me.
If they do.
Oh, you're nice. Yay. At least someone does.
Yeah, we just use 2. 2. Okay.
Open that too?
Yep. And then these cheese. Oh, that was easy.
That one was easy.
Bit of salami. 2 salamis will do. Tomatoes are done.
Yep.
Hit the tomatoes. One is all of it. Tomatoes are good for you. I'm making a face. And you can put the rest in a container. And no.
Do you want me to put that wrap around these?
No. Oh, in the Ziploc bag. I can say that one. Ziploc bag. Yeah, that one is.
Oh, these?
Yeah. And now cheese. That will do. And now, I just open this. Open that. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this in the microwave. Power about 30 seconds. And then it's going. And now you just put that in the container.
One of those little purple ones?
Yeah. Or even the round one.
That one?
Yeah. In it goes. Yeah. Now we go back to the thing. The cheese is sort of melted. So we just put it for another 10 seconds. Still going now, still going. Perfect. The cheese is melted. I'll put you on the cooking machine. Okay. Now is there another Ziploc bag?
Yep.
Ready, and now we put the mayo.
Do they go in the fridge or?
Yeah.
Right.
Add that to the fridge.
Okay.
And there it is. My lunch. So, we're just gonna Do that. Do that. And there it is. That's the wrap. So what do you do? See? The text photos. So guys, it fell apart. Well, like, there we go. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click, smash that like button. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Also, would I will say that all my videos will be in the description because it'll be 3 to 7 and my YouTube channel to come. In the meantime, be on the lookout for more surprises coming your way. 2 times just for you. Click that like button and click the subscribe button. The second channel is giving you pointy fingers and keep on wiggling. And this is a healthy nut. Peace.